Hey everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to connect Exness to TradingView, whether you're using a mobile platform or desktop. So the steps are almost the same. So what you can do over here is you simply need to head over to your trading panel, whether from your mobile device or whatsoever, and in here you can see we have all these brokers, and we need to simply search for Exness. If you cannot find it, what you can do is simply press Ctrl F or search, and simply search in here for Exness, and most probably it is going to be popping up into these brokers. So they have wide range of brokers inside here, and you can easily connect them. If not, you can head over to the official Exness platform, and there gonna have the official integration for your both platforms. So you can also get 30-day free trial on TradingView if you use the link in the description below. So make sure to check out on that, and I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.